I don't know how many companies I've gone in to work with, and whether it's someone on the shop floor that brought me in to work with them or someone in the C-suite, and they hadn't actually communicated. What's communication look like in your shop? You might think that's a little bit weird for me to be talking about. I ask where your communication's at because questions, so many. I don't even know what your station is at the company you're working for. I mean, are you an owner? Are you a machinist, an operator? You can drop those answers down below. And what communication is like in the company. I don't know how many companies I've gone in to work with, and whether it's someone on the shop floor that brought me in to work with them or someone in the C-suite, and they hadn't actually communicated together. Now, obviously, I'm a professional. I am trained and developed to help people collaborate, work together, and it's not a big deal, but there's always that little bit of a wrench thrown in at the beginning of a relationship building that kind of slows it down. Now, there's nothing wrong with having communication to work on, and actually that's one of the things that can help facilitate. That's just been honed over the years through my professional growth and development work. You can check out my education for that. Working with engineers, managers, owners, operators, machinists, all of it is trained and developed me to support all the companies I work with, which is fantastic. But back to the point of this video and the fact that communicating on the shop floor so that people understand your commitment to keeping those spindles turning, earning, and improving profitability and competitive nature of the company is really going to help to build that sense of teamwork, that camaraderie, that partnership within your own company, which is just absolutely, beautiful. I'm here to bring and promote more partnership all through the manufacturing chain, and that includes within your own company, as well as all of your suppliers and your customers, and really creating that strong bond that allows us to grow, to flourish, and to love the lives we live. So I'd love to see your spindles turning and earning just a little more.